It's 2026 and every brand wants to become a bestseller on Amazon. But Amazon does not make it easy anymore. A lot of sellers think कि product list कर दिया, ad चला दिए, थोड़ा discount दे दिया, reviews add कर दिए and sales start हो जाएंगे और वो bestseller बन जाएगा. That approach worked a few years ago, but not now. And इसलिए new launches on Amazon fail for most of the sellers and brands. Because Amazon पर product launch करना और Amazon पे scale करना दोनों completely different चीज़ें हैं. Launching a new product today means understanding the market, validating the demand, analyzing the competition, getting the pricing right, planning margins, inventory, identifying the gaps, and then using ads to scale. In this video, we'll break down how to properly launch a product on Amazon in 2026. We'll talk about how to do market research before launch, how to use tools like Helium 10 and brand analytics to validate that demand, how to analyze best-selling rank and deep dive on competitor intelligence, how to identify gaps in the market, and why negative reviews of your own competitors can actually improve your own product strategy. We'll also cover fundamentals that actually make or break an Amazon launch, like pricing, COGS, profit margins, listings, images, keywords, A+ content, inventory planning, delivery speed, customer trust, and very important, initial reviews needed for new product. अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हो टू लॉन्च अ प्रोडक्ट ऑन Amazon या फिर जस्ट वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ सेलिंग ऑन Amazon actually works in 2026, this video will help you understand the process in a practical and a very data-oriented way. Are you ready? Let's get right into it. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I think one of the most important videos I would say in the entire this course or the program which you've bought it. Thank you so much again for buying it, and which is about how to launch a new product on Amazon and how to scale a new product on Amazon. Scaling would come if everything is fixed, then it would come through ads. I think which already discussed the same strategy, the campaign strategy, which I discussed it with you. Apply that same for new product as well. Exact match, category targeting, product targeting, brand filter category targeting, then through brand ads, then through display ads. That's very similar strategy applies to that even on new product as well. But before that, how to launch a new product properly on Amazon is what this video will about be. I'll be switching between Amazon.in and between the tech as well, which we've created it, which is pretty much detailed, and I hope it would add a lot of value to your product launches journey as well. Why I created a video separately for this? Because I don't want to leave any stone unturned. I want to pick as much as any topics that I am aware of and I have experience related to it, so that there is no point or part that is missed, and which is a problem statement. People really are confused or not aware properly how to launch a new product. Just by listing a product, pricing set kar di, do char images add kar di, doesn't mean that your products will get sold. Or even if you have properly optimized your product, pricing bhi theek hai, but ratings is not fine, delivery rate is not fine, your product won't get scaled. So again, similar stuff. I'll be still again talking more about the delivery rate and all these things as well. But before going live, what is it that you need to check? Maybe from tools like Helium 10, which I already discussed about the search volume, about the growth in the search volume, or second from brand analytics, or third from best selling rank, the gap which I was talking about in the best selling rank page as well. So a mix of that, and maybe if you have missed those videos, I will say first watch all the tools videos related to brand analytics, Amazon Pie and Helium 10, and the video related to the customer journey as well, especially the best selling rank page, because that's the page which teaches you a lot of business. That's the page will teach you the most and the most business about your business on Amazon, and we'll show you 1 to 2 examples as well, that if I would have been the one, this is where I would have launched and this is where I would not have launched. Maybe very similar to what we discussed in the BSR page, or maybe 1 or 2 other examples as well. So without taking any more of your time, let's get started. Yeah, so I hope my screen would be visible. I know that's not live, but still, I believe that it would be visible to you guys. So, key focus areas, very important before launching the product, is about the market research. And the two things which are most important about the market research is about the search volume growth and the competition. That is the two most crucial. Abhi to main pricing and all pe nahi aaya. I think yes, that is very important part is that as well. But market research, a very important. And a crucial part, I would say, use helium 10 magnet. Look at the set of keywords. For example, if you want to launch Dubai chocolate, आप उसको check करो helium 10 पे, whether what is the growth in the search volume looks like month on month, year on year, which I already showed you in that section of helium 10. If you have missed, requesting again to please look back to that video again. Second again is looking at the best selling rank. I'll be switching to the best selling rank on Amazon.in as well, and we'll also show you some related to what I spoke maybe 1 minute back. Otherwise you'll say that, Sunny, in everything you are saying that look back to that video again. Yes, people usually say this, they don't try to repeat it on that same thing again, but I'll try to show you on helium 10 as well what exactly I'm talking about. Yeah, so again, market research, two very most important critical parameters. One is about the competition, second is about the search volume. Search volume growth अगर हम नहीं check कर रहे हैं, we are missing big and big. Maybe we are launching without not checking the proper data. Second is about the competition. Sale कितनी हो रही है? I think best seller कितनी sell कर रहा है? एक new seller कितनी sell कर रहा है? I'll show you on best selling rank page as well. So be very properly attentive. This is going to be a very important session. Ads and all पे तो I understand, but how to launch a product on Amazon, which is again very important part for everyone, and I would keep this after the ad section so that you could understand how ads and these things combined together will make your product launch successful and enter into the top 5 or top 10 BSR within a month. We have few case studies as well, which you can directly refer to our own website as well, or we could deep dive more about these things in our live sessions, which we'll be doing very regularly, and over the community chat, which maybe I could also add more value there, so that wherever you are a part of, wherever you are spending your time, I will try my best that I could add the most amount of value. Since you have trusted me, I think it means a lot. And I am really obliged to you guys that you've trusted me and my course and to be a part of this community. And again, that's it. I'll try my best to make you a better person in e-commerce, and so that whatever the goal that you want to fulfill, you fulfill it towards the best end of it. Yeah, so understand the search volume and the competition. Second again is the listing optimization. I think you're already aware of, multiple times I've already talked about, but the part which I haven't talked about is about COGS, unit economics, MOQ, and selling price. It's बहुत important है that how much is the COGS. I think some say 20%, some say 30%. COGS is about the landing. चाइना का अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट है, इंडिया लैंडिंग कॉस्ट इज अराउंड 200, यू वुड सेल समवेयर एट 1000. दैट इज अराउंड द कॉग्स 20%. अगर इंडिया का प्रोडक्ट है एंड इफ यू आर गेटिंग इट अराउंड 150 एंड यू आर सेलिंग एट 500, द कॉग्स इज एट अराउंड 30%. So you now, this is what COGS is. You need to understand that it shouldn't be more than 30 or 33%. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा मैं बोल रहा हूँ. You need to take it at less than 30%. That is what I would suggest it to you be. Otherwise, you guys also see Shark Tank and all. The gross margins people have somewhere close to 80% as well. 80%, 70%. So that's where the gross margin looks like. So COGS में I would say don't try to go above 30 or 33%. Maybe you might be at 40-50% as well, but Amazon needs a lot of money, and you need to keep money for even ads as well, because without ads you cannot grow. Only ads also cannot grow your business. Second is unit economics. अब यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स में माई ऑल कमीशन विल कम. ये सारे कमीशंस अमेजोन के माइनस होंगे, डिलीवरी फीस माइनस होगी, शिपिंग माइनस होगी, लिस्टिंग फीस माइनस होगी, टेक्नोलॉजी फीस माइनस होगी, रिटर्न्स माइनस होंगे, रिफंड्स माइनस होंगे, एड्स की कॉस्ट माइनस होगी. सो बेसिस ऑन दैट यू टेक दैट कॉल कि यार इसका क्या बैठ रहा है स्टार्टिंग से ही. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑन दैट बिफोर लॉन्चिंग अ प्रोडक्ट. कमीशन कितना क्या होगा वो पहले से ही पता लग जाता है ऑन द पोर्टल ऑफ Amazon एंड ऑल. थर्ड इज अगेन एमओक्यू. आप कितना एमओक्यू प्लान करोगे? इफ यू आर into that starting stage, अगर आप starting stage पे हो, your brand is maybe 1.5-2 years old, I will always suggest you to launch 1,000 units, not more than that. 500 units शायद कोई नहीं देता है अब, but if they are giving it to you, 500 units might be very expensive for you. So that is why I'm saying that you sell at around 1,000 units. That is again very important part. MOQ. Why I'm saying, because you need to understand कि उस पूरी कैटेगरी में क्या CPC है, क्या कन्वर्जन रेट है, क्या ROAS आ रहा है, will I be able to operate it with this kind of numbers or not. Very important. Fourth is again the selling price. Market का selling price क्या है? Are you planning to sell more than this? What is the product differentiation that you're planning to have? For example, maybe I would have missed this point as well. So selling price, product differentiation, I'll be keep adding on these points as well. So if you are planning to sell expensive on that, क्या प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन है आपके प्रोडक्ट में, मार्केट में बाकी लोग किस तरह के प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रहे हैं, क्या प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रहे हैं. आई विल ट्राई टू शो यू ऑन amazon.in as well. So this session will be a little detailed, I would say, but this would be one of the only sessions. I won't say the only session, one of the only sessions that you would need in order to launch your product on Amazon. Starting journey, you started scouting for products maybe on Alibaba, India Mart, direct manufacturers, आप direct markets, local markets में गए. And एक step और पहले देखना है that are you in the selling trader journey or are you in the brand journey? Product launch उसी हिसाब से होगा. So you have to decide that as well. Are you a trader or you want to build a brand on it? Very important question. Ask from yourself, because वहाँ पे फिर again if you are a trader, then तो this new launch will keep coming regularly as well. वहाँ पे the margins and all will be very thin because you are more of a trader. You will play the volume game, you will play the quantity game. So that, and since you are a trader, your average selling price and all will be, I think, much lesser, maybe 149, 199, 299 and all of that as well. But if you want to build a brand, you'll have to go with the proper research. कैटेगरी का कितना बिजनेस हो रहा है, बेस्ट सेलर कितना बिजनेस कर रहा है, and at what price are they selling. Your economics set कर लिया, and I'll show you some examples as well. For example, if the best seller is selling at 10,000 units in a month, I might be able to sell 1,000, 2,000 units in some amount of time. तो अगर मैंने 2,000 यूनिट्स बेच लिए, ये कॉस्ट, ये सारी कॉस्ट है, दिस इज माय यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स. बेस्ट सेलर ही अगर 1,000 यूनिट्स बेच रहा है, आई माइट बी एबल टू सेल मे बी एट अराउंड 300 यूनिट्स. सो 300 यूनिट्स, इज दैट डिसेंट इनफ कि मैं एक नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करूं और उसको मैनेज करूं? विल बी डिसेंट इनफ इफ द एवरेज सेलिंग प्राइस इज डिसेंट. अगर 5,000 का प्रोडक्ट है, सो यू इमेजिन, मतलब अच्छा खासा बिजनेस हो जाएगा उससे. सो 5,000, 15 लाख का बिजनेस आएगा एक SKU से. So this is what I feel. You need to have some clarity. You need to answer these questions from your end first, rather than going out की category कितनी बड़ी है, best seller कितना business कर रहा है. Now I already spoke a lot. Now I'll try to show you some examples now in order to make you understand. Although this was already a part of best selling rank page, you could have seen. For example, if I want to launch stain remover, अब Vanish everyone knows, might be a possibility शायद मैं Vanish को beat ना कर पाऊँ. They are selling 10,000 units in a month. Now this is again best selling rank page पे जाके new sellers को ढूंढना है. If you are new, if you are a category leader brand, then this exercise doesn't make sense to you. But if you are a new brand, bootstrapped, D2C first brand, online first brands, then maybe that is what my suggestion would be, is to find some brands in the top 50, top 100 जो कम रिव्यूज के साथ ऊपर आ गए. अगर वो आ गए तो मैं भी आ जाऊंगा. वो आए हैं तो कैसे आए हैं? Understand each and every step and analogy of their listing, which you can also apply to your business as well. For example, they have around 340 reviews, price 189, 3,000 units bought. मैं अपनी यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स सेट करके देखूंगा, विल आई बी एबल टू सेल एट 189. लिस्ट इमेजेस एंड ऑल, इट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स. ग्राफिक्स एंड ऑल बाद में भी बन जाएंगे, कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंडेबल. FBAs कितने प्लान करने पड़ेंगे मेरे को? हाउ मेनी FBAs डू आई नीड टू प्लान? 2 FBAs, 3 FBAs, 4 FBAs, 5 FBAs, 6 FBAs, 7 FBAs, मिनिमम 3 नीड टू स्टार्ट विद. अब सेलर्स क्या दिक्कत करते हैं आज? दिक्कत करते हैं, आई मीन टू से गलत करते हैं, दैट मेरा प्रोडक्ट अगर वर्क कर गया, देन आई विल प्लान विद 3 FBAs. आई विल से दैट यू रिवर्स करो यार प्लीज. प्लान विद 3 FBAs. मौका दो प्रोडक्ट को चलने का. 1,000 यूनिट्स आप रखो, and 200 units held all through the 3 FBAs. 400 units again, you keep it into your buffer, or maybe send 300 and keep 100 into your buffer. Why I'm saying 1,000 units, you need to understand customer को product कितना पसंद आ रहा है, कितना returns आ रहे हैं, क्या refunds आ रहे हैं, क्या feedback आ रहा है, क्या 1 star आ रहे हैं, क्या 2 star आ रहे हैं. Because I've seen a lot of brands who have changed their products every year. And right now they are at 3x of revenue where they were. Why? Because they took the customer signals very seriously. बहुत seriously उन्होंने देखा. And that is why this would be the part after that customer launch as well, but you can make that part before as well. अब मैं होता तो क्या करता, अगर मैं स्टेन रिमूवर लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ तो मैं इन सबके नेगेटिव रिव्यूज पढ़ूंगा in order to make to understand कि क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. Not light insta stain, Pidilite stain remover is the best. It consists of water only. Product is bad, not at all useful. कोई भी stain नहीं हटाता है, does not remove any kind of stain. Useless product, useless product. तो again लोगों को स्टेन रिमूवर, लोग स्टेन रिमूवर सोच के खरीद रहे हैं, बट दैट एक्चुअली इज नॉट अ स्टेन रिमूवर. स्टेन रिमूवर इज अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग प्रोडक्ट. मेरे को अपने कपड़े से स्टेन हटाना है, मैं इसलिए स्टेन रिमूवर ले रहा हूँ. अदरवाइज आई एम हैप्पी विद डिटर्जेंट पाउडर और इवन लिक्विड डिटर्जेंट्स एज वेल. सो आई वांट टू रिमूव दिस स्टेन. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग द प्रोडक्ट. सो यू सॉ दिस गैप कि मार्केट में वैनिश के अलावा कोई एक और अच्छा स्टेन रिमूवर नहीं है. सो check on that pricing and all. This is also one of the things that you shouldn't miss. Product launch करने से पहले अपने competitors के 1 star 2 star पढ़ो. Try to understand कि customer को क्या दिक्कत आ रही है. What is that pain point which customer is facing? Are you getting a signal which you can add into your product and then maybe ask for a premium as well. आप 10-20% premium ले सकते हो. 189 customer एक product 255 का easily ले लेगा. You can sell it at even 250 as well. Now this is one. Second, again, this is also one of the brand Ethiec. Only 64 reviews, 329. अब Vanish का क्या प्राइस है? 225, 224. They are priced at 329. 4.5 stars rating. First image में again fabric whitener properly दिख रहा है. Absolute proper image which they have mentioned. Delivery rate, New Delhi, Bangalore, everywhere proper. Deal tag, prime tomorrow. And they have another pack size as well which they have launched it. Reviews and all is proper. So अगर ये आ सकते हैं तो मैं भी आ सकता हूँ. So you need to check that each and everything. And again it is at rank 9, 23 reviews, 800 plus. सो बॉस इसमें ये सीन है कि 1,000 यूनिट्स तो करीब मैं भी बेच सकता हूँ इफ आई प्लान टू लॉन्च माई स्टेन रिमूवर. अगर मेरी यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स बैठ गई, दे आर ऑल्सो, मतलब उनकी डिलीवरी रेट इज एट 19 जुलाई, तो मैं भी बेच लूंगा क्योंकि स्टेन रिमूवर पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर. लोगों को चाहिए स्टेन रिमूवर. एंड इतनी खराब प्राइसिंग, खराब रिव्यू एंड रेटिंग्स के साथ मे बी आई हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस. टाइटल एंड ऑल इफ यू सी इज हार्डली ऑफ एनीथिंग. कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है टाइटल में. मैं शायद 4 स्टार मेंटेन करके रख लूंगा. मे बी आई हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस एंड आई माइट बी एबल टू सेल एट 299. 20-25 रिव्यूज के साथ मे बी विद इन अ मंथ्स, विद इन फ्यू मंथ्स आई माइट बी सिटिंग एट 1,000 यूनिट्स. दैट इज वन थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग, एंड अगर आप एक नए ब्रांड हो, मेरे हिसाब से एक एसिन से आपको सोचना चाहिए मेरे को इतना धंधा लाके देगा, इतना बिजनेस लाके देगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक एसिन से कैन आई प्लान टू हैव 5-10 lakhs ऑफ बिजनेस एवरी मंथ. दिस इज हाउ यू शुड प्लान रादर देन थिंकिंग अबाउट कि मेरे को सीधा एकदम से बड़ा ब्रांड बनाना है. इफ यू आर बूटस्ट्रैप्ड, मार्केट में फंडिंग मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया है. दिस इज हाउ यू शुड प्लान दैट. अगर अफोर्डेबल सेगमेंट में हो आप, 1,000 यूनिट्स इज दैट वन थिंग दैट यू शुड टारगेट, कंसिडरिंग कि मेरा बेस्ट सेलर दैट 10,000 यूनिट्स बेच रहा है. अगर बेस्ट सेलर इज सेलिंग एट 1,000-2,000 यूनिट्स, देन मे बी शायद मार्केट छोटा है. बेसिस ऑन द एवरेज सेलिंग प्राइस आई नीड टू टेक द कॉल. अगर प्रोडक्ट ही 500 रुपए का है, 1,000 यूनिट बेच रहा है, तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा वहां पे. देयर इज नो पॉइंट. मे बी आई ऑल्सो माइट रीच इट एट 400-500. सो बिफोर लॉन्चिंग दैट प्रोडक्ट, अंडरस्टैंड कि लॉन्गर टर्म पे मैं इतना बिजनेस इस प्रोडक्ट से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. 1,000 यूनिट में इतना, 1,500 यूनिट में इतना, 2,000 यूनिट में इतना, क्योंकि मेरे पास बजट लिमिटेड है. एड्स का बजट भी लिमिटेड है. एफबीएस भी मैं लिमिटेड कर सकता हूँ. रिव्यू रेटिंग्स भी मैं ज़्यादा नहीं करवा सकता बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो लिमिटेशन ऑन Amazon. So that is why the deck and all, you'll already get it. So don't worry on that. But whatever I'm speaking about is all of the gold thing. I hope you are taking notes as well of these things which I already spoke about, because these are the things which no one mentions. कोई नहीं बताता इस बारे में, because in this में मैं ads की कोई बात नहीं करूँगा. If you have anything, you just refer to the campaign strategy section in the ads. Directly whatever I have said, आप सीधा copy कर दो. If all these things are fine, listing is properly optimized, pricing and all is properly optimized, I can bet you within 2 weeks or within 4 weeks, you will ping me that my product is into top 10. हो ही नहीं सकता कि product top 10 में ना आए. Unless and until there's a lot of competition. जैसे इसमें the only thing is that कि मेरे को Vanish नहीं बनना, Vanish के बाद वाला ब्रांड बनना. This is again that realistic thinking, realistic target that you need to set for your own brand. So this was again one example which I wanted to maybe give it to you. Second could be again chocolates is something that really picking it up well. Not sweets gifts. चलो स्वीट्स गिफ्ट्स में ही बात कर लेते हैं. एम आई फॉर एग्जाम्पल season is already there now. I think we are already into the festive season, and in the next 2 months it will all about the festivals in India. So if you are into this kind of a business related to festival, related to sweets and all, is there an opportunity? Let's try to check it through this page. Ferrero Rocher, Go Desi, Karachi Bakery, Go Desi. Again, I think this is a pack combo 149. I won't suggest you to be away from it. Karachi Bakery, Go Desi, Ferrero Rocher. This is again 17 items. I think this is of Go Desi only. I'm really sorry. Already big brand. Haldiram's, Karachi Bakery, Go Desi. यूनिबिक अगेन बिग ब्रांड, गो देसी, उमाई फूड्स, गिफ्ट सोन पापड़ी. कोई है नया? कोई नहीं है. So again, very tough to crack. Loika again is that brand which is a big brand into chocolates and all. So if you see the pack size, if you see the listing images and all, looking very premium. It's again, I think, five, eight, six. I think these are 24 pieces, if I'm not wrong. 24 piece, 1269 May. I don't think that's bad enough. So maybe there is something that, yeah. So again, if you are into Rakhi hampers and all, you need to check Anveshan 149. बहुत cluttered market है. I won't suggest you. अब तब उतरो when you want to make a brand in it. Now, one example again. This is Ferrero Rocher. This is a brand. Now, you thought that chocolates मेरे को बहुत exciting लगता है. I would want to make a brand into chocolate. One second. This is sweets gifts. I want into chocolate. Yeah. So this is the category. I think now if you see Rakhi again, ये already काफी sell होना start हो गया है. 400 plus bought in past month. Tabs. This is that chocolate 3K. Now 32 reviews. Dark chocolate for men and women. Chocolate gift box. Valentine gift set for boyfriend and girlfriend. So this is a very different and a unique kind of a chocolate. Is there a gap? Yes, there is a gap. इसके अलावा कोई brand नहीं है which is selling, and they have 3 products into top 10. And if you look at the reviews and ratings, not that pretty good. 4, 4, 3.5. So यहाँ पे there is a gap which I think you can fulfill it if you are able to provide some good quality of the products, if that's possible. Now, this is one thing. Second thing, let me take you to Helium 10. Now, if I show you one example कि यहाँ से आके क्या check करना है, if I'm checking it for Dubai chocolate. Okay, so let's check the search volume of now. If you see, this was the search volume of it, 10,000. Then it went up again to 14,272, 14,000, 13,000. 10,000, 12,000, 11,000. So this is how, if you look at the search volumes, this is how the difference looks like. Maybe I can launch, gap hai nahi hai, you can check it from search page, best selling rank page, and third yahan pe. This is one thing. Let me try to show you more gaps from here. Kids face wash, this is also one of the categories which has started building up, which is beauty and skincare for kids and teenagers. Now let's see if there is a pickup into this. 3,000, again a drop. थोड़ा सा larger देखते हैं. All time. Okay. So very uniform and non-uniform. If there is some other keyword, baby soaps, 13,000. It has dropped again. So again, you just can check यहाँ से कि उसकी क्या growth है and क्या growth नहीं है. You can check also from here, and you can check from now one thing. Now this is the data. That is why I say that don't trust Helium 10 completely. This is the data which they are showing from 7th 2024 to again this 5th July, 10,968. You go back and see in one of our videos into brand analytics, you'll see the search volume of this at 60 or 70,000. So that is the kind of difference sometimes Helium 10 shows, which no other brand shows. Let me check if I can show you the difference right now only. Now here you see the difference. It's 30,999. This is for the month of June. And here when you saw for Helium 10, for the month of June, again it's showing somewhere at around 10,000, 11,000. That's the reason which I keep saying that don't trust to Helium 10 completely. If you saw the graph and if you saw this is 3x difference. Helium 10 is showing 10, 11,000. Brand Analytics is showing 31,000. Now let me maybe show you for weekly level as well. Yeah, so weekly again it's at 8480. That means it's close to 35,000 only. So again it's Helium 10 is shown. So yeah, this was I was trying to show you what all to check from Helium 10, what all to check from brand analytics. Always and always check from brand analytics as well. Bestseller कितना business कर रहा है, how much business I can plan, 1,000 units. Take understand एक business target from an ASIN. एक ASIN को आप एक I would say एक प्रोडक्ट को एक शॉप समझ लो, या एक प्रोडक्ट को ही एक बिजनेस समझ लो. दैट आई हैव 6 सब बिजनेसेस. एक एसन मेरे को 5-7 लाख का बिजनेस ला के देगा. सो मे बी कैन आई प्लान टू डू अ बिजनेस ऑफ 30 lakhs फ्रॉम 6-7 एसेंस, बट देयर वुड बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि सारे 6 के 6 एसन सक्सेसफुल नहीं होंगे. There would be some failures as well. There would be, because in order to make all of them successful, your product quality has to be the top notch. And next is that you will have to plan ad spends very properly in those ASINs as well. So maybe like around 7-8 ASINs mein, can I plan to do 30 lakh, or out of 10 ASINs, 8 to 10 ASINs mein, can I plan to do 50 lakh of business as well. एक दो ASINs इसमें से वो होंगे which might contribute to a business of 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs and 10 lakhs as well. Recently in one of our brands we also launched Dubai chocolate, which went up to close to 2,000 units at a price of 450 rupees within a span of 1 month. So they directly, the business of that one agent directly went to 10 lakhs a month. And there are some products which they have which do some a business of maybe 1.5 lakhs a month as well. So you will have to plan on that. I don't want to confuse you much on this thing again. So yeah, identify high volume and high growth keywords, balance volume and competition, target keywords with moderate to high, monitor search trends, leverage Amazon auto suggest as well, listing quality, optimize content structure, high quality graphics, incorporate reviews, listing analyzer tools again is one thing. Plan at least 3 FBAs. You have to do it. Selling price and all, I already told you that you have to set that pricing accordingly. But FBAs तो चाहिए होंगे. I think you will have to do it. उसके बिना नहीं होगा. Starting में reviews चाहिए होंगे. So once and all you have launched your product, 3 FBAs में भी रजिस्टर कर दिया, प्रोडक्ट्स हमने वहाँ भेज दिए, मेरी लिस्टिंग क्वालिटी A+ कंटेंट भी बेसिक या प्रीमियम है, जो भी मेरे पास एक्सेस है, 6 लिस्टिंग इमेजेस आई हैव एडेड, लिस्टिंग ऑलरेडी अमेजोन डिज़ाइन के ऊपर एक वीडियो बना हुआ है, कैसी बनानी, यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो ऑन टू दैट वीडियो ओनली, वो सब कुछ मैंने सेट कर दिया है. लास्ट थिंग, यू नीड टू हैव 5-10 रिव्यूज और 5 स्टार, उसके बिना एड्स नहीं चलानी है. दिस इज इफ यू आर रनिंग एड्स, मे बी यू आर वेस्टिंग मनी, और मे बी यू आर अ बिग ब्रांड, यू नो कि उसके बिना चल जाएगा. सो दैट इज वॉट आई थिंक यू नीड टू डू. 5-10 reviews, 5 star, you need to have it. SEO best level, I think. Just do such a proper keyword research, which I've already mentioned in the multiple videos as well. Use any tool, चाहे वो हीलियम 10 हो, चाहे ब्रांड एनालिटिक्स. तो ब्रांड एनालिटिक्स है तो ट्रस्ट मोर ऑन ब्रांड एनालिटिक्स आई वुड से, बट रिव्यूज चाहिए ही चाहिए होंगे. एंड प्लान की उस पर ज़्यादा नेगेटिव ना है. Be prepared. You need to set up that a process like this that inflows the influx of positive reviews, because once you start नया product जब pick होता है, competitors also try to put 1 star reviews to your listing as well. So make sure that your influx of positive reviews keeps going. Starting में ही नहीं कराने हैं, आगे भी कराते रहना. SEO title against craft. SEO पे भी there is also a section which maybe you can look up to. Backend keywords and all. Helium 10 again, magnet, X-ray keyword, Cerebro again, which is competitor pricing. Monitor price trends, balance value and cost, check profitability. One more thing, I think if you're launching a product related to season, so be ready for that as well. Lunch boxes, Rakhi hampers and all. अभी राखी hampers का भी हम example लेते हैं. राखी hampers या दिवाली hampers. If you are planning to, someone here might be into this gifting as a business as well. तो क्या pricing करनी चाहिए? Because selling gift essence through FBAs, I know it's a tricky task. But before ending this, we'll discuss shortly on that as well. कैटेगरी सर्च, रेलेवेंट कैटेगरीज, एनालाइज कैटेगरी कंपटीशन. पूरी कैटेगरी का बिजनेस समझने की कोशिश करो. बेस्ट सेलर कितना बिजनेस कर रहा है, सेकंड बेस्ट सेलर कितना बिजनेस कर रहा है, वो कितने पुराने हैं, कितने रिव्यू रेटिंग्स हैं उनके पास. एंड अगेन रिपीटिंग ऑन दैट थिंग कि क्या कोई नया है वहाँ पे. मे बी इफ दे आर देयर देन आई कैन ऑल्सो बी इन दैट पार्ट एज वेल. BSR ranking again, you need to keep tracking it. Last is again product URL. Structure the product so that the first 5 words include the main keyword, as Amazon generate the canonical URL from these, boosting SEO. Include the primary keyword in the URL. Keep the title concise so that the URL is clean and focused on the main keyword, avoiding irrelevant keyword terms, which SEO में have already discussed. URL में अगर एक main keyword lock हो गया, I'll show you that example right now. Now, if my URL is visible, you can see fabric whitener is locked. अब इस प्रोडक्ट की अगर रिव्यू, रेटिंग, FBA, लिस्टिंग क्वालिटी, एवरीथिंग इज मेंटेन, दिस प्रोडक्ट विल परमानेंटली डू वेल, अनलेस एंड अनटिल कोई और कंपेटिटर आके कुछ लिस्टिंग एंड ऑल को कुछ खराब नहीं कर देता है. तो so that is what I wanted to show it to you. Last, I think if we can discuss, I think on is on gift hampers. You might be planning a gift hamper. Gift hamper में pricing plays a huge role कि सस्ते gift hampers लाने या महंगे लाने. Fool is one of the best brands who does pretty well in gift hampers. I have been following them since the last 1 year. Fool, who started building agarbattis out of the waste, nearby the Ganga River. Especially they are from Kanpur. They are from my city only, and the way they've built the brand is tremendous. Great brand that they've built it, and now it's been from the last 1 year they've been focusing on gift hampers as well. Chai Christmas ho, Diwali ho, Holy Ho, I think they are the ones who sell the maximum amount of hampers along with Eat Better. So these are the two brands I would say you should definitely look up to if you are planning to sell gift hampers and all. आप उनकी pricing check करो, उनकी listing images देखो, review ratings देखो, delivery tag देखो, and उस pricing में कितने items दे रहे हैं वो. Because now customers hamper ले रहा है ना, तो 1,000 रुपए का hamper ले रहा है, वो check करेगा उसमें कितने items उसको मिल रहे हैं, वो काम के हैं कि नहीं हैं. Like for example, Anmol Rakhi gift hamper. 1,100 plus bought in the past month, 449. 17 item Rakhi gift box. I think this is from Go Desi only, 849. अभी कोई tag नहीं आया. This will pick up. This is again something else. Omax Eat Better. Now this is for new moms. They already have 1180. सिर्फ 11 reviews हैं, 200 plus bought in the past month. So maybe I can also sell this kind of a product. New moms, pampering and relaxation for mom to be, baby shower kits, pregnancy gift box, gift for mothers. अब इसमें है क्या, कैशूज, हेजलनट, एक कार्ड ऐड कर दिया कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस का, मिलेट नमकीन, एंड दैट्स इट. कुछ भी नहीं है. एक नई कैटेगरी ढूंढ दी, एक नया हैम्पर बना दिया. एंड यू लुक एट द प्राइसिंग, सुपर प्राइसिंग, 1180. 1,200 रुपये का प्रोडक्ट 200 बेच दिए. मोटा मोटा आई थिंक मैं 2.5-3 लाख का बिजनेस आराम से इस हैम्पर से कर रहा हूँ. एंड इफ यू लुक एट द नंबर ऑफ रिव्यूज, दोज आर ओनली 11. लिस्टिंग इमेजेस बड़ी नॉर्मल है, कुछ खास नहीं है. ए प्लस कॉन्टेंट शायद नहीं होगा, नहीं है. सो दिस इज हाउ यू चेक ऑन दैट. जो भी आपको लॉन्च करना, आप इस तरह से मतलब डीप डाइव करते हो इफ यू आर एबल टू फाइंड समथिंग और नॉट. Omax is that only brand maybe. Healthy Treat also does well, but this is Pyar Ka Pitara Rakhi gift hamper. Now if you see this Rakhi gift, uh, hazelnut dry chocolate भाई वापी राखी सेट विद गिफ्ट, ये पे गिफ्ट ऐड कर दिया है इसमें. प्रोडक्ट्स अपने 2 राखीज ऐड कर दी. फॉर द वन हु लाइट्स अप माई लाइफ, एक हैम्पर ऐड कर दिया अच्छा सा, 999 and 100 plus bought past month, 129 reviews. So this was again I wanted to discuss with you guys कि new product launch कैसे करना है, and simple रखना है चीज़ों को. Need to keep it very simple, not complicated, no complex, so that you get it launched. आप डेटा के बीच में इतना मत रह जाओ. So this was it. I wanted to give an idea to you guys on how to launch a product. Very important, which is again very few people have that idea on, and things are simple. इतना difficult नहीं है, especially to understand. Execute करना में I know it would that difficulty, especially in deployment, especially in terms of inventory, supply chain. It's not that easy, especially for hampers. इतना आसान नहीं होता उसमें. So yeah, this is it from my end. I hope you like this video. One of the best videos, full of practical insights and all. You know what all to do for your next product launches as well. Do refer to my case studies as well, related to new product launches on my own website, www.growpreneur.io. And in case you haven't followed us yet on YouTube and Instagram, do follow us. You'll find me with the name of Sunny Wadhwani on YouTube, and I am Sunny Wadhwani on Instagram, and again it's Sunny Wadhwani on LinkedIn as well. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Bye. Take care.